99% of people don't know this. Are you still looking for a powerful, easy-to-use, and scalable security solution? For many businesses, upgrading from traditional analog cameras to IP cameras can be costly and complex. Most solutions are expensive and challenging to integrate. Today, we introduce ACTi's hybrid DVR and control center solution, a solution that lets you enjoy cutting-edge monitoring without compromise. Supporting up to 16 cameras, both analog and IP, it streamlines your monitoring system effortlessly. ACTi's hybrid DVR is designed with simplicity in mind, featuring a plug-and-play setup that even beginners can handle with ease. This eliminates time-consuming installation steps, and with ACTi CMS, you can manage multiple DVRs centrally without needing separate equipment at each monitoring site. This is ideal for businesses with large venues or multi-building campuses. No matter the scale, ACTi's hybrid DVR has you covered. ACTi's hybrid DVR solution emphasizes incredible scalability. Supporting both analog and IP cameras, it offers unmatched flexibility for businesses transitioning to IP cameras. When your needs go beyond 16 analog cameras, ACTi's CMS can connect multiple DVRs seamlessly, ensuring continuous surveillance across locations. You can control everything locally or remotely through various interfaces, including the workstation client, web client, or mobile client, allowing you to stay connected wherever you are. Additionally, ACTi has enhanced user-friendliness to make the system intuitive. From installation to operation, the system is designed for ease of use, eliminating the need for extensive training. This makes it ideal for industries needing real-time surveillance, such as retail, healthcare, education, and government agencies. Even in emergencies, ACTi's mobile client ensures you have immediate access and control, empowering fast response times. ACTi's hybrid DVR and control center solution offers you a comprehensive video management system, from basic monitoring to advanced centralized control, fitting all your surveillance needs. With the addition of TV wall servers and mobile apps, your team can collaborate effortlessly and respond to incidents efficiently. Visit our official website today to discover more surprises.